If you are a foreigner living in Japan, this snap election can either make you panic or help you invest smarter. So in this video, I will let you know what exactly matters and what doesn't. Why you should keep watching this election? There is a lot of noise right now in headlines, opinions from all the direction, especially fear among the foreigners living in Japan. So I will keep this simple. Is this election a real risk? How do foreign investors react to this election? And what you should do now? Let's see one by one. So let's start with what is snap election. Even in our previous video, we explained about what is snap election. So let's recap once more. A snap election means the Prime Minister calls an election earlier than the planned. It sounds dramatic, but in Japan, this is not an unusual. The most important point is a snap election is a political decision, not an economic collapse. So now I hope you understand what is snap election. Then let's see, is this panic situation for this Japan stock market? To answer short, no, not at this stage. For market, it cares less about when election happens, and it cares more about when policy direction and stability changes. So for market to truly panic, it would need sudden anti-business policies, loss of government stability, or major economic shocks. So right now, this is an uncertainty, not crisis. And markets deal with uncertainty at all the time. So it is not a panic situation, kind of an uncertainty. Then let's see what impact on stock market. Let's keep this very practical. During the election, export companies like Toyota and Honda kind of stocks, they watch yen movement. Domestic stocks related companies, they react to the policy promises. The banking and infrastructure related stocks, they react to the fiscal plans. So in short term, it moves more on volatility based on more headlines. But if you see as a long term, fundamentals still decide the returns. So elections may create noise, but not on the long term trends. So from now on, we will move on to the most important portion. Yes, the biggest mistakes foreigner makes such a situation. This is where money is lost. Panic selling long-term investment. Trading inside NISA based on news. Overacting to short-term yen moves. Trying to time political events. So if you don't know what is NISA, please watch our previous video from our channel. If your investment horizon is 5 to 10 years, an election is a small bump, not a turning point. Then let's see how foreigners living in Japan should actually react to this election. This part is very important. So if you are a foreigner living in Japan, follow these three. Please do not act emotionally. Please do not trade based on news headlines. Please focus only on yen movement and plus long-term policy. So policy after election result is matter than the situation right now. So now we can say, is this panic or opportunity? So what it is? Yes, you guessed right. For short-term traders, it is a high risk. For long-term investors, nothing fundamentally changes. The real opportunity comes from staying calm, reviewing allocation, avoiding emotional decision. So in short, smart investors get prepared for the election. Weak investors, they get panic. So the final takeaway is, Japan snap election is a politically important, emotionally noisy, and financially manageable. So if you are foreigner living in Japan and investing in it, don't trade on headlines. Don't get panic for a single snap election. Think for a long term. So subscribe our channel for clear, calm investing content for foreigners in Japan. Thank you. Bye bye.